Cheaper Xiaomi Smart Camera C100 with AI surveillance now available. Xiaomi has released the Smart Camera C100 in Europe. This security camera is said to offer AI-powered home surveillance, with features like human detection and crying baby detection. Plus, this relatively affordable model supports two-way voice communications and Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa voice commands. The Xiaomi Smart Camera C100 has been released in some European countries. This security camera, designed for indoor use, was listed on the brand's global website earlier this year when many of its specifications were revealed. Now, at Xiaomi's online store in the UK and Germany, you can buy the Smart Camera C100 for $24.99, $24.99, making it a relatively affordable model. It is also available via Amazon in Germany, as well as countries like the Netherlands, Spain and France, though it is not expected to ship from this retailer for at least 1 month. Xiaomi's Smart Camera C100 has a 3MP camera with a f1.6 aperture and 128-day field of view, FOV, producing 2K HD resolution video footage. The company suggests that it offers AI-powered home surveillance, which is linked to tools like loud noise and crying baby detection, human detection and virtual fence. Plus, the ultra-low-light full-color function can be used to enhance images captured in darker conditions. On top of this, an integrated 940 nm infrared illuminator can be used to record at night. The Smart Camera C100 supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, with smart notifications and remote controls available via the Xiaomi Home app. Alternatively, you can use Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa voice commands to control the camera. Thanks to a built-in speaker and microphone, it supports two-way voice calls, and there is a physical lens shield for enhanced privacy. The Xiaomi Smart Camera C100 has a white outer, is 150mm, 4.5 inches, tall and can be mounted upright or upside down.